Welcome to week 1 of AI Skills for the Modern Professional. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Michelle, and I will be your course facilitator for this course. If you're feeling a little intimidated by the term artificial intelligence, or if you think it's only for coders and tech geniuses, this first week is designed just for you. Consider this your official invitation to pull back the curtain and see AI for what it really is. A powerful, practical, and accessible tool that can make your work life easier, more productive, and a whole lot more interesting. This week, we're laying the foundation. No coding, no jargon. Just a clear, simple understanding of AI and your very own free toolkit. Let's get started. Session 1.1. What is AI really? Let's begin with the big question. What is AI? Forget the science fiction movies for a moment. The robots taking over the world. In the professional world, the most helpful way to think of AI is as a highly capable assistant. Think of it like this. You know how a calculator extends your ability to do math, allowing you to solve complex problems in seconds instead of hours? AI is like a calculator for your brain's creative and analytical tasks. It can read, write, summarize, brainstorm, analyze data, and even generate images. It's a tool that extends your capabilities. It helps you work faster and smarter, but it does not replace your judgment, your expertise, or your unique human perspective. You are still the boss. AI is your new, incredibly efficient intern. To make this even more concrete, let's look at the 5 specific types of AI you'll be using throughout this course. You might even recognize some of them. First, there's generative AI. This is the type you've probably heard the most about. It's an AI that creates new content, text, ideas, answers to questions. Think of tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google's Gemini. You can ask it to draft an email, summarize a long report, or give you 10 new ideas for a project. Next is image AI. These tools create and edit visuals based on your descriptions. If you can describe it, these AIs can help you create it. Tools like Canva's AI features or Adobe Firefly let you generate images, graphics, and social media posts in seconds, even if you have zero design experience. Then we have voice AI. This is a huge time saver. Voice AI converts spoken words into text. Imagine recording a client meeting and having a perfect, searchable transcript ready for you 5 minutes later. Tools like Otter.ai or OpenAI's Whisper do exactly that. The 4th type is automation AI. This is for repetitive, rule-based tasks. It's the glue that connects different apps. For example, if you want to automatically save email attachments to a specific folder in Google Drive or post your new blog articles to social media, you can use tools like Zapier to set those workflows in motion automatically. Finally, we have Agentic AI. This is the cutting edge, and we'll spend a good amount of time on it in weeks 6 and 7. Agentic AI takes automation a step further. It doesn't just follow simple rules, it can work independently across multi-step tasks, making decisions along the way. Think of it as a mini manager that can handle a complex process for you from start to finish. Tools like Make.com are perfect for building these kinds of smart agents. So, as you can see, you probably already use or have seen AI in action. The goal of this course is to take you from a passive user to an active, confident director of these powerful tools. Session 1.2, Setting up your free AI toolkit. All right, now for the fun part. In this session, we're going to get our hands on the tools. The best part? Everything we'll use has a fantastic free tier. You won't need a credit card to build your new skills. Let's walk through your new AI toolkit. I recommend you pause the video after this session and follow along. First, your primary thinking and writing assistants, ChatGPT from OpenAI and Claude from Anthropic. Both are excellent. I recommend creating a free account for at least one of them, if not both, so you can compare their styles. They are your go-to for drafting, brainstorming, and research. Next, for design, head over to Canva. You might have used it for simple social media graphics before, but its built-in AI features are a game changer. You can now type, "Create a header image for a presentation on renewable energy," and it will generate options for you instantly. The free version is incredibly powerful. For writing and communication, Grammarly is a must-have. Its free core features will help you catch typos, but more importantly, it can suggest ways to adjust your tone, making an email sound more confident or more friendly, for example. For those meetings where you need to focus on the conversation, not frantic note-taking, Otter.ai is your friend. Sign up for a free account, and you get 600 minutes of transcription per month, which is plenty for getting started. Now for the truly exciting stuff, building your first automations and agents, we'll use make.com. Don't let the interface scare you. We'll start simple. Create a free account, which gives you a certain number of operations per month, more than enough for our learning projects. And finally, if you have a Google account for Gmail, Google Docs, or Google Calendar, you already have Google Workspace. We'll be using these tools as the building blocks for many of our AI workflows. So, your action item for this session is simple. Take 20 minutes to create your accounts for ChatGPT or Claude, Canva, and Make.com. Once you're set up, let's do a quick low-pressure warm-up activity. Go to your new AI assistant, ChatGPT or Claude. In the chat box, type this exact question. What are the top 5 skills employers in my field look for in 2026? Just replace my field with your actual industry, like marketing or project management or human resources. Hit enter and watch what happens. In seconds, you'll have a list of curated insights. Read it. Think about it. Is it accurate? Is it helpful? This is your very first piece of AI-generated career intelligence. Save that response. It's a great starting point for your professional development.